Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? Today's topic is algebraic expressions. So first of all, we'll see what is an algebraic expression. So let us see the definition first. First thing first, okay. So an algebraic expression in mathematics is an expression which is made up of variables and constants along with algebraic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Expressions are made up of terms. See, algebraic expressions are really simple expressions which are made up of two things, basically three things. The first one is variable, then constants, then coefficients. Coefficients generally come with variables. Okay, see, these are the two examples of algebraic expressions. This is the first example and this is the second one. The first expression, algebraic expression, is 3x plus 4y minus 7. So this is a combination of variables. X and y are variables here, then coefficients, 3 and 4 are coefficients, and 7 is constant. Okay, variables are those things whose values will change. Okay, like anything can be x, anything can be y, means we can put any value in x, 10, 11, 100, or any value. Same goes for y because values change in variables. Okay, as it is obvious from the name, variable. Okay, and constants are what? Which remain same always, which are constant, which do not change. Okay, so this is the algebraic expression 3x plus 4y minus 7. Algebraic expression is the combination of variables and constants, and the value which comes along with the variable like x and y. Here 3x, this is a term, 3x is a term in which x is variable and 3 is coefficient. Okay, okay. So these are the examples and what explanation is written here. I'll just read it for you. These expressions are represented with the help of unknown variables, constants and coefficients. The combination of these three s terms is said to be an expression. These three what? 3x, 4y and 7. These three terms combinedly make an expression. That is algebraic expression. Okay, it is to be noted that unlike the algebraic equation, an algebraic expression has no sides or equal to sign. Some of the examples include. Okay, so if you have any idea about algebraic equations, so those equations are like, let me write them for you. So if you are asked about algebraic equations, so in equation always there is an equal to sign. 2x is equal to y, let's suppose. This is an equation, this is an algebraic equation. Oh, AE, you may say it, algebraic equation. And if we talk about algebraic expression, then it will be 2x plus. Okay, this is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, we are using x here because there is equal to sign. So this is equation and there is no equal to sign, but there are some terms, combination of constants or and variables, then it is algebraic expression. You can add here plus 0 or plus 10, that will be constant. Okay, so I hope you have got an idea about what is algebraic expression and you have an idea now that what is the difference between expression and an equation. Okay, and now here is some more explanation on variables, coefficients and constants with an example. Example is here 5x minus 3, and let me zoom it for you. Okay, So and this is the algebraic expression 5x minus 3, and here we are told that x is variable. Okay, x is variable, and whose value is unknown to us, which can take any value. Okay, variable's value is unknown until or unless we find it out. Okay, x is an unknown value. We don't know what will be the value of x, whether it will be 0, 1, 2, 1000, or what else. I don't know, we don't know. Okay, until or unless we find the value of x, it is unknown. Value of a variable is unknown. Okay, then 5, which is with x. This 5 is written with x, so it is coefficient of x. Okay, as it is constant value used with a variable term and is well defined. Okay, 5 is defined as it is known that it is 5 of, obviously, so it is defined. So here we know what is 5 and what is x in it. X is variable, and 5 is coefficient. Okay, so now the thing which is after minus sign is 3. 3 is the constant value, that term that has a definite value. 3 is the constant. Okay, so this was all about algebraic expressions, and then further about what are variables, coefficients, and constants in algebraic expression. So I hope you have understood the whole thing and you have got an idea about algebraic expression. And if you have any query about anything, algebraic expressions or variables or coefficients or anything else, or if you want any more examples, or if you want me to solve any questions related to algebraic expressions, then do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely do that for you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.